In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at Kore.ai, a chatbot platform built to help businesses automate their messaging. As we start, it's important to note that Kore.ai is designed to streamline communication by providing AI-driven automation for customer support, sales, and more. This tool is geared towards improving user experience through advanced natural language processing, making conversations feel more human-like. Kore.ai offers a range of features that can benefit businesses in various industries. The platform provides tools for creating highly customizable chatbots with an intuitive user interface. Whether you're looking to build a customer service chatbot or an AI assistant for handling sales inquiries, Kore.ai can help you create bots that match your needs. One notable feature is its ability to integrate seamlessly with multiple messaging channels, including web chat, SMS, email, and social media. The platform also supports advanced analytics, giving you insights into chatbot performance and customer interactions. This can help businesses track the efficiency of their chatbots and fine-tune their performance. Additionally, Kore.ai offers robust reporting features that are helpful for teams looking to measure ROI and optimize their chatbot workflows. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. However, while Kore.ai does a lot of things well, there are a few limitations. For instance, some users may find the initial setup process a bit complicated, especially if they don't have much technical experience. Also, while the platform offers a great variety of features, it could be overwhelming for smaller businesses that just need a simple chatbot solution. On the pricing side, Kore.ai is on the pricier end of the spectrum, which could be a concern for small businesses with limited budgets. However, for larger organizations or those looking for advanced AI capabilities, it may be worth the investment. The cost reflects the sophisticated features and integrations Kore.ai offers, but it's important to weigh that against your business needs. Overall, Kore.ai is a solid choice for companies looking for an AI-powered chatbot solution that offers versatility and robust functionality. However, smaller businesses or those with simpler needs might want to explore more affordable alternatives. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more honest reviews like this one.